Hi, welcome to Siemens NX video tutorial. I want to do that Bautile here in Siemens NX. I took the original design from Matthias Reppenhagens, and you can find his amazing models on grabcat.com. Changed it a little bit and added some planes for more flexibility. I made a drawing, so let's take a look at it. So here it is. For the first steps you will need those views here, and you could make a screenshot, and then you will need those views, and again you can make a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with Siemens NX. So first I want to add some planes. So let's start with an offset to this plane, and that distance should be 2760 divided by 2, like that. Apply, then select the same plane and do it with a negative value. Of course, you could reverse the distance, the offset as well, and apply. Then another one from this one. This should be 5000. Apply. From the same one, just add here a minus 11250 plus, and of course maybe delete those units. They might cause problems. Let's see. No. Okay. Then I will need one with a distance to this one. That should be at 250. Apply. And then minus 1600 from the same one here. Apply, and another one, 250 minus 1760, 1760, and again from this one, and okay. So let's fit this in. Looks okay to me, and the first sketch will be on the XY plane. So go for a sketch, select this plane, and I want it to be like this, so I could change. Oh yeah, let's do it like that. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and you could do it with an angle of minus 90 degrees. That's okay. Is that okay? Yeah, looks okay. So let's include, and if you don't have the include, just go to enter assembly. That will do the same. I want to include those planes, which will give me some nice lines like that. And I want to go for arcs. So one arc will start here, could snap here, then go in this direction like that, add another one from here, over there, up. Now don't snap, so press the Alt key, and I want to go on to this line, yeah, like that, maybe like this. So I think I snapped tangency here. I want to add or change the dimension here. This should be, let's take a look, 6500, but without that one here. Okay, and this one should be 30,000. Okay, there is a tangency, that's okay. So this point here, that end point should be on that one here. Coincident. I want to have tangency between this one and that line. On that distance here should be, so try to select that point and that line, and that distance should be 1700 divided by 2, that's 850. But I took the wrong line, so go for this, undo, and go for that line and this point, like that. And that would be this one here, and that should be 850. Yeah, so delete that one here, like, try to select it, remove it, and then we can change this to 850, like that. Okay, looks okay to me. I want to mirror that, so go for, where's the mirror command? There you go. I want to mirror this curve here with that center line. Confirm. Add a line from this point here to that point. Nice. And finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude with that sketch, and it should start at that plane and end on this plane here, the upper one, and confirm. Hide that sketch. Let's make a chamfer, and the values are 1310 by 540. Let's check it out. Select that edge here. Yeah, the orientation is okay. Let's apply this. You can't do it in one step. You have to go for 2 steps and confirm this. This looks okay. Now a fillet or edge blend, and that radius would be 1092 on this edge. Okay, and that edge. Great. And confirm. Yep. Now let's add 2 more planes. So one from this one with a distance. Let's start with maybe 80 in this case to avoid some troubles with the fillets. Like this. Apply. And one from the same one with minus 80. And okay. Great. Let's do a sketch on the top plane. Confirm. Let's include those. You could go for project if you have project. If you have an older version, you could just select those planes as well. So go for include. Select this, no, this plane and that plane. Okay. Now also include the other planes. That one here, this plane here, and that plane. Confirm. Now I could try to put a rectangle right there. Maybe it works. Let's see. Go for rectangle. Select that intersection point if possible. Point on curve. Yeah, So maybe let's draw it at the side like this, and then add constraints, collinear. Is this already collinear? Yes, it is. Then go for this one and that one, again collinear, this one and that one collinear, and it should be fully defined. Great. Finish the sketch, and now let's make an extrude. Again, sadly it doesn't remember until selected. That would be this plane here, and also until selected to the other side. That would be this one, the lower one. So that didn't snap, or it goes for, where's the Boolean operation? It should be united, and confirm. Now let's add an edge blend on this one here, edge blend right there on this edge, and that radius should be 1350, and confirm. So I made this distance 160 to avoid some troubles here. But now it will work. I will need another edge blend, and that radius should be 5000. So go for another edge blend. Radius should be 5000. Yes. Select this edge here. Looks okay. And apply. Then go for this edge here, and OK as well. Nice. Now let's add 3 more sketches. So one sketch would be on the right plane. Confirm. Let's include this plane here and that plane here. Okay. I need another arc, which should be on this line here, should go over there and end on this line here. That radius should be 16,000. That end point here tries to select, start point should be on this one here, coincident, and that arc here and that line should be tangent. So that's fully defined. Finish that sketch here, and we could make an extrude or a surface extrude, and it should go until selected and start until selected. So let's start on this plane and go to that plane. Okay. So thought so. None. And okay. Now another sketch on the top plane. Okay, confirm. I want to go for a circle, and the diameter of that circle should be 3800. Yes. Now let's put that center point onto that axis here, coincident. Let's include that upper plane, this one. okay, and then make a tangent constraint between the circle and that line here. Great. I want to cut that a little bit, so add that dimension here, make it 1200 maybe. Okay, this one should be for construction only. No, I don't want, that's crazy. Yeah, now there it is, construction. Go for a trim. Like that, should be fully constrained. Yes, it is. Finish that sketch. Let's make another surface extrude. Again, it should go until selected to this one here. And it should end also with until selected. Let's go to this plane here. Great. Confirm. And the last one should be on that plane here. This one. Okay. And another circle. And that diameter or radius should be 2 times 5790. So that should be 2 times 5790. Yes. Yes. There you go. And that center point should be right there. Coincident. And let's include that plane. Right here, the plane. Yes. Confirm and make it tangent. So this one here and that line should be tangent. Great. Now let's reduce this a little bit. Make that line for construction only. Okay, go for trim. This should be trimmed. This should be trimmed. That should be trimmed. Use that dimension here. Make it maybe 1000. Finish that sketch. And let's make another extrude. Surface one, yes. And this should go until selected. That would be plane 1 and 2. So maybe plane 1. And it should end with plane. No, that's not plane 1 and plane 2. That's wrong. That's the wrong one here. It's plane 3 and 4. Plane 3. That's the one. And it should end with plane 4 like that, and confirm. Now we can trim that body. So go for home, go for trim body. The body, there's only one, so it should be recognized, but it isn't, so select it. The tool would be maybe first this one, turn this around. No, that's the other way around, and apply. And then the same body, trim it with this one here. This looks good. Apply, and the same body, trim it with this surface here, and okay. Let's hide those surfaces. So I thought I put it up there. No. So go to view and put this in the quick access toolbar, and then we could hide those sketches and those sheet bodies. close. Now let's add some edge blends. Maybe go for, let's say 40 on this edge here and that edge. Apply and then go for this edge here and confirm. Now do a shell, remove that face, and the thickness should be maybe 100 and confirm. And this looks okay, and you can control that Bautile with those planes. And I'm done. So hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.